Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Welcome to my channel Incremental Nova. So recently during the Prime Day sale I bought this Shure MV7 microphone. I was keeping an eye on the price for a very long time. I needed like a podcast kind of microphone from a very long time. So when the deal arrived on this, so usually they sell for close to $300 because this one is USB and XLR output, and during the Prime Day sale it was listed for 200 bucks, and just for one day, first day of Prime Day sale, and just I grabbed one of these under a great deal. So in this video let's do a quick unboxing, show you all the contents that come in the box, and then in the following video I will show you the difference between this one and my current Rode microphone that I use, and we will see how different they sound and how similar they are price wise. Obviously this is little pricier, but it is a specialized kind of microphone which is used for your vocals and good for podcasting kind of environment, wherein the one that I have from Rode is a wireless one and also a boom mic. So let's look at the contents and then see what's in there. Alright, as you can see, the box is little big, but I think because of the mic. And look at this, welcome to better sound. That's cheesy. I'll keep the box on side for now. So this is the first content of the box, and then let's open this. I'm hoping to see the mic right away. Yes, I do see that in this beautiful silver gray kind of color, and some booklet. So this is nothing but like a placard, and there is one more user guide. All right, let's see. This is the microphone. Just by holding it I could see the quality in terms of that it is all metal and it is heavy. It's not a small lightweight kind of microphone. Slightly heavier I would say, because of that all metal design. Let's see if you can catch that. Yeah, nice, really like that. Obviously this is there like a condenser, and all these are touch panels, like touch buttons. You can increase or decrease, you can mute and mute and all those things. Looks really nice. Let's see what else is in there. There is this box. I'm hoping to see a cable, so let's see what kind of cable is this. It's a micro USB to USB. Okay, so let's keep this micro USB cable on the side. I wasn't aware. I was hoping to see the USB-C because it's 2023. Who makes micro USB cables still there? Okay, anyways, it's still micro USB. So if you did not know that, like me, now you know. And let's see, what is this cable? Another micro USB to USB-C. So it's good that they give you another cable which is from micro USB to USB-C, because I have this MacBook Pro and obviously there are no USB-A ports in that one. So USB-C port will be really handy to directly connect it with my microphone. But I was hoping to see another cable like the XLR cable, because obviously you can use XLR cable on this mic. I was hoping if it comes in the box, so it does not, so I need to find that, and also probably get a cloud lifter. Let me check if there is anything else in the box just to make sure. Okay, I do see some limited warranty information card, another one of these product safety instructions. That's pretty much it. So these were all the contents of the box for Shure MV7 podcast microphone. This is really good product. If you have clicked on this video, you are already researching about it. So I grabbed this during the Prime Day sales for $200. I'm not sure if they will be selling it for the same price currently, but if you want to check the price, you will find the link in the description below. and let me know in the comment section what kind of review you want to see about this microphone. And it does not come with any stand. I'll have to order a stand for this to be able to use it. That would be amazing though. All right, anyways, over and out. See you in the next one.